Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I will be unboxing this Ipsy Glambag. This one retails for $12 US, and then if you're our Canadian subscriber, you're gonna have to pay $2.95 for shipping, which adds up to about $21 Canadian. So there is no customs on this package, which is a good thing because it's already pretty expensive paying for the conversion between the US and the Canadian dollars. So right away I noticed that they actually didn't send me the June bag, and instead this is the January one. But regardless, I'm gonna unbox this and see what's inside. So let's talk about the bag. So it is a pretty sturdy, pretty good quality bag. You can use this for makeup, you can use this for like travel purposes, just put your like brushes in here for example. So comes with this little pamphlet, which doesn't actually have any of the item description on here. So let's look into the bag and look at our first product. So our first product here is actually the Roller Lash Black Mascara from Benefit. It is used to curl and lift your lashes. It is a sample size. It is about, how many milligrams? So it's about 3 grams and 0.1 ounces. It has very thin looking bristles, and it does have a bit of a curve going on, so I'm assuming this actually helps give the lashes a bit more of a curl. So the next product in this glam bag is actually the Autobalm Day to Night Shadows on the Go. So this is actually by the Balm Cosmetics. I'm going to give this a quick swatch. So right away I'm noticing that it's pretty smooth and pretty creamy. It's not super pigmented, but I feel like maybe on the eyes it would look a little bit more pigmented. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I will post a little bit of a swatch right here as well, just so you guys can zoom up and see this. So anyways, this is, I'm assuming, a full-size product. And this is again by the Balm Cosmetics. So the next product I have here is called Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. And you're supposed to wear this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it's been crafted to dramatically fight signs of tiredness and stressed skin. I mean, this is pretty good for me because I'm pretty tired most of the time with work and other stuff going on, but this leaves the skin incredibly smooth, vivid, radiant, with just one use. Pretty cool. I'll have to give this a try and see how it goes. Just gonna give this a quick smell. Oh, it's just started leaking here. It smells pretty nice. I mean, it doesn't smell like honey, but it's pretty nice. The next product I have here is called LXMI or Luxme, I'm not sure. It is the Nilotica Goddess Glow. It is a highlighting cream illuminator. I'm just going to open this up here, see if it has any sort of smell and what it swatches as. So it has a bit of a wrapping going on. Just going to unwrap this. It's pretty hard to do with nails on, but let's just try to get this to open. Come open. It's here. So I finally got it to open. I'm just going to give this a quick smell. So I don't know if it's my nose or what, but I can't really smell anything right now. Hopefully it's not what you think it is. So right away I'm noticing that it has a pink tone to it, and I'm just going to blend this out onto my hand and see what that looks like. So as I'm blending this out, actually it does not have very much of a pink tone, it's more of a gold. But it's still a very pretty and very blendable formula that I can tell right here. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in a bit and show you guys a swatch of this. So this is what the product looks like. So I actually really like this. Like, this is pretty creamy. It does have a nice like shine to it. It says over here that this is versatile, super blendable cream illuminator, has a whipped texture and adds brilliant radiance to all skin tones. So the next item I got here is actually the Glow for a Cause Lip Love Flirt. So I'm assuming Flirt is the name of the shade. Just gonna give this a quick smell. So it's pretty fruity, pretty nice smell. So this is supposed to, let's just give it a quick read here. This is actually a lip treatment, and in one swipe it gives the lips intense hydration, plumpness, and sheen. Okay, that's pretty good. Like, if it's for a cause, like, I'm happy to have received this as a part of my glam bag. I will be giving this a try when I'm actually not wearing lipstick. I mean, I could put it on right now, but you won't be able to see the tint. But yeah, this is my next item. So yeah, that was the end of the unboxing of this glam bag. The products were nice. I'm quite happy with the products. Like, I'm very excited to try the mascara. I'm pretty excited to also try the illuminating highlighter. So guys, that was the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys liked what you saw, then don't forget to hit the like button because it does motivate me to keep making more videos for you guys. Do leave a comment down below as to what you guys would like to see in the future. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.